Ah, water, what a great resource. What a pain sometimes too, isn't it? See, the problem with water is it has to be processed. Many reasons to process water in our processes. Using the word process a lot, ain't I? A big one is if you have to release that water back into the environment. Well, you can't release dirty water, so you've got to clean it. That's a big one. Another one is for the reuse of water. Like, for instance, if you look at the SAGD plants here in Alberta, they only have so much water license, so they have to reuse that water. And they're getting towards zero liquid discharge. They're recycling over 96% of the water, which is quite amazing, especially when you consider how the water is used and how dirty that water gets, and you have to clean it up to reuse it. Doing a great job of that. Another problem we have with water is, especially in like in food plants, etc., where we have waste, and that waste is wet, quite wet. So that waste now weighs 2, 3, 5 times as much, and we have to pay for that in our plants. So we're disposing of water that we could just treat and recycle within our processes. Now, for people like food processing, that's a triple whammy, really, because the water that they release into the drain, it's got to be treated. They're using water in the processes, which they have to pay for. So if you could recycle that water, you're doing pretty good. And then the waste, if you can cut the weight of your waste down, you're going to save a lot of money. So for food processing, especially, not everybody that has any use of water in any of the processes needs some level of wastewater treatment. But food processing, I'm thinking today, you need to take a second look at wastewater treatment. It could really help you out.